My name is Jefferson Mark of Kwatamang village, North Rupununi Region 9, and I am the head teacher of Kwatamang Primary for over 10 years. Now I am very much happy that the e-network system has been installed in my school, and also the television set. It will improve the performance of the learners, since that technology is very useful. And this is the first time that we have this system in place. We, the teachers, will have to utilize to enhance our learners' performance, especially in the national exam. In addition to that, the system will be useful for our parents as well. Most of our parents are uneducated, so as we have the chance to have this system in place, we can educate them using this technology so that they can assist the children at home. Especially these times around, I could say the global pandemic, the children staying home. At this point in time that the school is run in a rotational base, which means that the academic delivery is not enough for them. So we need parents to assist them at home. We, the teachers, will try our best to utilize this equipment to enhance our learners once again. And with this, I would like to thank the Ministry of Education and also the government of Guyana for the support that they given to us by providing this equipment for the first time in the history. And I look forward for the continuous support in the future. Once again, thank you very much.